Yeah.
Okay.
Matigas pala yan.
Oh, nandito.
There you go. Look at that. So this is a dragon fruit here from Pastor.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Pastor Somchay.
Pastor, what's your name?
Yeah.
Somchay.
Okay, thank you so much. Look at this one. Have you ever thought of planting your own dragon fruit? Why not? If you want to learn how to plant your own dragon fruit, this video is just for you. Because the next time you want it, no need for you to run to the market. Just go to your garden and have them. Ang bigat. Ang bigat. Ang bigat. Pero okay lang kasi lahat ng problema na pagdaanan ko na. Okay, so we're just done getting our wood posts and now we're going back to the area where we're gonna plant the dragon fruits that we have. As you can see, that pink car behind us, those are woods. So excited to make them.
10 seconds later.
So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to prepare our soil mixture. Of course, our dragon fruit needs to have healthy and amazing soil. So we're going to get some of this sand. Okay, we'll be using sand. Look at this one, sand. Okay, so why do we have to put sand? Because in this area, the soil is clay. So our dragon fruit will not love them. So we will be mixing it with sand. All right. Okay. So we're sending this going to our mixing area. Let's go. Come on. So this is our mixing area, and now we just have placed our sand, and then we're gonna mix it with cow manure. Okay. So the ratio is 1:1. Let's say this is 1 sack and this is 1 sack again. Yeah. Just incorporate them. Come closer. Okay. There you go. Alright, just be careful that your cow manure should be totally dry, okay, or else they're gonna smell. Okay, let's do it. Let's mix it.
Hurry, come on!
We're just done mixing our soil, our cow manure and with the sand. So later on, we're gonna drop them into the soil, into our holes, wherein we will put our dragon fruit. Okay, so these are the holes. These are the holes. Look at that, going straight there. And this is where we're gonna plant our dragon fruit. So what we are gonna do is we're just gonna put something here later, the mixture that we did, and then Viola. And Sir Carlo is actually working with our house. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. See? Okay, look at that. He's digging the holes deep down in there. And look at that. He did it all, guys. Everything here. He did them. Digging, or I'm creating, or I'm covering it with another soil, but I'm getting it from the side, okay? I'm not getting it from somewhere, because this will serve as the cover. Right, there you go. Just press it like that so that your post is strong enough to stand against winds, against animals. But there's no animals in the air, so I believe it's gonna be fine. There you go. Just press it. Okay, so remember the hole earlier? What we did was we placed now the post. For example, look at this one, this post, the first post that we did. And I'm doing now the second one, okay? So I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do next. Okay, so I'm now creating a hole here, a mini hole. Because what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna put 3 dragon fruits here. So I'm gonna do 3 little holes, and I think 1 here is okay. All right. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're trying to bring this wheelbarrow over there. It's kind of round, right? Right? Can you help me? Okay, so sorry, really, but it's really a good exercise. I'm telling you, it's really worth it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this mixture into this. So we have 3 mixtures now: the sand, our cow dung or our animal manure, and then our soil here, right? So as easy as this, just put this using your shovel like that. Okay, just make sure that it's enough. It's more than enough to hold 3 dragon fruits. And then you mix it. So now we're mixing them: the soil, the cow dung, and our sand. So there you go. This is the result of our first day. There you go. So we've started around 4 and now it's 6, almost only 2 hours, right? From asking for wood posts to holing and even mixing our soil. All right, so guys, I think let's call it a day because it's getting dark and the rain is saying hello to everyone. All right, so there you guys have it. As you can see behind me are the posts that we did just earlier, right? So we're almost done for our first day. And if you can see this one, can you point that to that mixture? There you go. That was a total bulk earlier, but now it's a little bit, it's getting lesser and lesser because we're almost done. And the planting will resume tomorrow, okay? So let's call it a day. Thank you, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.
Come on!